Hello, everybody. I'm John Alias here with some breaking news. It has been found that the Earth is made up of large, shifting tectonic plates. At the places where these plates meet, it has been observed that there are three different kinds of tectonic plate boundaries, as they're called, the first of which being the convergent boundary. Convergent boundaries are where two tectonic plates are pushing together. In the instance of two oceanic plates colliding, one plate subducts the other, leaving deep trenches contrasted by strings of volcanic islands. A similar phenomenon occurs with the collision of a continental and oceanic plate boundary, in which the colder, denser oceanic plate subducts beneath the continental plate and leaves deep ocean trenches in coastal mountain ranges such as the Andes. The collision of two continental plates pushes up land on both sides, creating impressive mountain ranges such as the ever-looming Himalayas. Earthquakes and volcanic activity at these boundaries are common, with subducting boundaries creating the deepest and most powerful tremors. Oh, what's this? I'm hearing word that we have a man on the scene. Let me send it over to Jack Human over in Nashville.
Thank you, John Alias. I'm Jack Human coming at you live from Nashville, Tennessee. We are out here in search of divergent plate boundaries. We've gotten word that there are none around here, so I'll tell you about them. A divergent plate boundary, or the mother of crust as I call it, is where plates move away from each other and create new crust, hence the mother part. As the two plates move away from each other, magma rises through the center, the gaps, and hardens, creating new crust. There are two types, oceanic, and continental. Oceanic happens underwater. They create mid-ocean ridges such as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and produce seafloor spreadings at a few centimeters a year. At the center, there are rift valleys that have a lot of basaltic volcanism. They kind of slope up and go down where the two plates diverge. Anyway, continental occur on land and create continental rift zones such as the East African Rift. Some things to note about them is that the crust gets younger as you get closer to the rift. Some natural hazards that occur are shallow earthquakes and volcanoes, mostly runny basaltic lava. They aren't typically catastrophic. Back to you.
Thank you, Jack. Now let's discuss the final kind of plate boundary, the transform boundary. Transform boundaries occur where two plates are in opposing parallel motion. Most transform boundaries happen between oceanic crust, where the slow shearing creates a strike-slip fault. Transform boundaries experience frequent weak earthquakes and do not exhibit signs of volcanic activity. These faults can be identified as either dextral or sinistral by observing the motion of the plate opposite to the observer. Thank you for joining us. We'll now go to Scott for his review of the recent Vikings football game. Didn't go well.